Okay, that's Simon, and there's Peter. Right, that's going to be down like that later.
Is that everything?
I think so. Just doing that to hold themselves up.
Prepare yourself.
Hey Dana, can you stretch my nose?
Can I stretch your nose?
Yeah, well, the right.
Stretch it.
Yeah, that's just there, that's it. Oh.
What's that?
Okay, that'll do it.
Exactly. Sort of like one. Right, go! Oh yes! You got it?
Yeah. Oh, that's good. It's good.
Oh, that's so cool.
Whoa.
Oh yes!
Oh my word.
He needed the visor. Oh crap!
That is mental.
Oh!
Whoa!
Hey!
Yeah, I was trying to distract you like, because I thought, because you're getting.
Okay, it's the aftermath footage. It's all the debris. Let's have a look at. So, I think we can figure that it hurt.
Yeah. One went through
It's
there.
more fun than paintball.
That one on the knee, Kane, that might have gone through.
You like that, Tom?
Yeah.